Homemade cinnamon apple coffee cake recipe. Hey everyone, welcome back to Miss Coffee Baby. Today, we have a delicious treat in store for you, a homemade cinnamon apple coffee cake. This recipe is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or just a delightful snack with your favorite cup of coffee. So, let's dive into the kitchen and get started. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 2 large eggs, 1 cup sour cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2 medium-sized apples, peeled and diced, 1/2 cup chopped walnuts or pecans, optional, cinnamon swirl, 1/3 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the sour cream. Mix until just combined. In a small bowl, mix together the brown sugar and ground cinnamon for the cinnamon swirl. Spread half of the batter into the prepared baking dish. Sprinkle half of the diced apples and half of the cinnamon swirl mixture over the batter. Repeat with the remaining batter, apples, and cinnamon swirl. If desired, sprinkle chopped walnuts or pecans on top for some added crunch. Use a knife to swirl the cinnamon mixture into the batter, creating a marbled effect. Bake in the preheated oven for 40-45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow the coffee cake to cool for at least 15 minutes before slicing. And there you have it, a delightful and aromatic cinnamon apple coffee cake that's sure to be a hit at any gathering. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen, and I'll see you next time on Miss Coffee Baby. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.